What up? Darian Clark here, and today what I'm going to be doing is going over Facebook ads and a software that I use that's very beneficial, and it helps me create ads extremely fast, and it takes a lot of the legwork out for me, and a lot of the digging and researching that I would have to do on my own. I could just now use this particular product and circumvent the process. So I'm going to be doing something like a product review for you and going over ways that you can increase your return on your investment when running your ads for your business or for your clients or whatever the situation may be. All right, so I'm gonna jump into this really quick. The software that I'm using right now, as you can see right now, is called Advertsuite. Now, the reason this software is so unique and so fascinating for me, because what you can do is instantly start creating winning ads, and the ads that's out there right now that's making money, you can look at what they're currently doing, what other advertisers are doing, and replicate their process and replicate the ads that they're actually using for your own business or niche that you may be in. So we're going to go over that really quick. Now, AdvertSuite is one of the largest software uh, database driven software that I've seen out in a long time. And like I said, it's going to make this process for you extremely simple, extremely easy to use. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to walk through some of the features with you so you can actually see for yourself how this can be implemented in your business. Okay, so let's go ahead and log in really quick. Just bear with me for 1 second. Now I'm telling you, you're going to be blown away by how simple and easy this process is. Now, even if you are a beginner and you've never ran an ad before, after seeing this video, you will have the confidence to go ahead and begin running ads for your business and offers and things of that nature. Okay. Now, one thing that makes AdvertSuite very unique is that not only does it work for Facebook, but as you can see, it's compatible with Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, as well as YouTube. So but we're specifically in this video going to be talking about how to use it for Facebook. Now, the way that I'm going to use it for Facebook is the exact same process that you would use for all the other social media platforms I just named. Okay, so these right here are the different features that's going to help you to do a lot of the it's going to do a lot of the legwork for you, like I said earlier. Now, you can look up whatever information that you're looking up. You can look it up by the keywords, you can look it up by the advertisers, or if you know the domain of the offer or company or whatever the situation is, if you know that domain, you could plug it in as well to see if that company or business or advertiser is in fact running ads. You can also use different. I don't really use the button feature. That's not really my thing. I don't really use the funnel software. I don't really care what software a person is using. All right, now the other unique piece to this is how you can sort the ads itself. So you can go and find the newest ads that's being ran at the moment. You can find the ads that's been running the absolute longest. You can find ads that's generating the most likes and one that's generating the most comments, shares, and views, especially if it's a ad that's a video ad. All right. And then next is the different ad types, whether it's a photo ad or a video ad. Now, typically I do photo ads, but video ads are extremely beneficial, and they have a high conversion rate as well if they're done in the right manner. Now, some of you may have a e-commerce business. If you do, you can see it's compatible with a lot of the platforms that may be being used or you may be using right now yourself. And also when you're doing your targeting and trying to figure out where your target market may be, you can target any country. It pulls up all the countries for you. As you can see, very simple. Select your country your ad position if you want to like find out ads that's being ran that's hitting your news feeds, or ads that's being advertised on the side column. You've probably seen those before as well. Mainly you see those on desktop, but you can actually see that as well. You can also see, in case you're in, let's just say for an example, you're in the weight loss niche or something like that, you can target special interests, whether it's fitness, muscle, diet, so forth and so on. The other piece to this is the duration between when the ads have been seen. So you can go and look at that particular date and select those dates. You can also select dates in terms of, I'm sorry, you can select the feature in terms of gender, whether you're targeting males or you're targeting females for your offer. You can do the exact same thing for when the ads were actually posted, as like in regards to like the custom range, if it was posted last month, 30 days ago, or you could do a custom range to take a look at how well an ad is performing. All right, and the last two things, you can also select the language. You can also select the different age groups. So when targeting, you will have all your pretty much your targeting and finding an audience. It can be done right inside of this software. Okay, so to show you how this really works, all right, we're gonna jump in. I'm gonna go through and let's just say I don't want to use the example of weight loss. Let's use something that I know a lot of people can relate to. Let's go with dog training. All right. So let's say you're in the dog training niche. All right. Let's see, and you want to know who's running ads out there and who's being successful. Okay. Now the software is going to go out. It's going to pull all the ads that's being ran in regards to dog training. Okay, now as you can see, you can also see who the advertisers are. You can also see with this particular ad, you can see how many people are liking the ad. You can see the comments that we talked about and the shares. You can also see the dates of when this ad was last seen. Okay, and this, like as it's going right now, it's still pulling ads. As you can see, it's still researching and finding ads as I'm going. But I'm not going to scroll all the way down. So to do a little more of a deep dive into this particular ad. So let's just say you wanted to figure out a little bit about this particular ad. So let's go in and look at some of the details. Okay. All right. Now we're inside. You can actually see what the publisher is putting in regards to the ad right here. You can also see what the headline they're choosing to use, the image, how many likes. Again, now, one thing that's standing out to me right now, you see how it's saying processing. Normally, when you put in that type of information and they're running an active ad and they have it attached to a landing page, that landing page will pop up and you see a screenshot of what the landing page looks like. The fact that it hasn't pulled up one, more often than not, that means that that page that they had is no longer live and it's not running. So let's take a look at the dates on this thing. So okay, so the last time when they posted this ad, it was in May the 27th, and it looks like they only let it run for a few days. So it probably wasn't giving them the results that they were looking for, so they ended up shutting it down. Now, I'm guessing on that particular piece just based off the information. Also, let's take a look here. All right, hold on a second. Let me refresh this really quick. Bring this back up. All right. Now, the demographics. As you can see, they were targeting females with this particular ad, and you can see the country in which they was targeting, the United States, and the age group was from 18 to 20. Okay, so not a lot going on with this particular ad. So let's go back into the software. So let's see if we can find an ad that was a little more had a little more activity and engagement on it. So let's go with this. This happens to be a particular, this ad happens to be a video ad. So let's go in here and take a look at this video ad. All right. So now, one unique thing about this particular software as well, if someone has a video inside their Facebook ad, you can actually play the video inside of the software, so you can see exactly what it is that they're using. I'm not going to play the video for the purpose of this demo. You can also see again the text that they're choosing to use and also the headline. All right, now if you notice right here, the landing page actually popped up. So now I know one of two things. Okay, this page is, they're still running ads for this page, or they're no longer running ads for this particular page because they have now generated enough brand awareness, but this landing page is being successful for them. So I can click on this landing page and actually see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, the page is still live and up and running. And if I wanted to go in and replicate what they're doing, I have access to be able to do so. The demographics, as you can see, we can see the demographics of who they're targeting with this particular offer. You can also see the country and which they're targeting. So it looks like they're targeting people in Ireland. And you can see the age groups. It's actually broken down. It looks like there's a 50-50 split between the age groups that they're actually targeting right now. Okay, so now that is just a little bit about that particular ad and software. Now, obviously, I wanted to give you a brief rundown of how powerful this software is. Now, if you are, again, new to running ads with Facebook and you're not really confident or comfortable and you're not even sure how to use this particular software, they have an awesome tutorial section in here, which is what I've used to get myself knowledgeable with it, and it's very good because they walk you through every piece of the software. So by the time you complete all the modules, you know exactly how to go through the software. And if you want to upgrade and get more training, you can actually sign up for their VIP training. You can also get access to the Instagram ads part of it, Google ads, YouTube as well. So this software is packed with a whole lot of resources and information that anyone that's trying to be successful running their Facebook ads will be able to benefit from. Now, if you're interested in getting access to this particular software, I'm going to put a link below in the description. All you got to do is click the link, let me know who you are. Just put your email in, let me know who you are, and I will send you over to where I actually receive this software from. And then from that point, you'll be able to get access to it as well, and you can start creating Facebook ads immediately. So head down below, make sure you click the link in the description and do so. And also, if you like this video and you found value from this video, like always, make sure to hit the subscribe button for me. That way I can actually keep you up to date with other tools that I'm using, other things that I'm finding out that's being useful and successful for others, so I can make sure you stay in the loop on those things as well, because sharing is caring and I care about your success. So I want to make sure you're getting everything that you need. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you click the link in the description, get access to this software, begin creating those ads, and let's go ahead and make the rest of this year the best of this year. All right, I'll talk to you later.